day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some
Guys, impilo inzima. Uvela ubone ngazathi umndeni wakho owakushiya phezu komhlaba awubhekanga, ubhizi ngento zawo. Kodwa namhlanje I created this video because I needed to pray, not just to speak, but to release everything that has been heavy on my heart. God, I came to you with the pain that I cannot hide. I ask you to heal me, to touch every broken place inside me, and to give me strength to continue. Some days are harder than others, and today I just needed you more. And today, I'm also speaking to you, my parents, my family who are no longer here. I miss you so much. There are moments I feel like you are not looking at me, like you are somewhere else far, living your peace, not seeing how much I am struggling in this world. Sometimes I wish you could just look at me, see me trying, see me hating, see me carrying everything on my own. I wish you could help me, guide me, hold me, the way you used to. But deep in my heart, I remind myself, love like yours doesn't disappear. Even if I cannot see you, I believe your love still surrounds me. I'm talking to you, my family, my late family, Mama no Baba. I carry your strength, your lessons, your voices inside me every day. God, please, hold them for me and hold me too. When I feel alone, remind me that I'm still covered, still protected, still loved. Give me peace in my heart and strength in my soul. Today my prayer is simple, God. Just heal me, strengthen me, and guide me. Help me become the woman my parents raised me to be and the mother my children need. Oh my goodness. Yazi ngivele ngazi ukuthi kumele ngithandaze ngithini, ngicele ngithini ngoba mangibheka ngivele ngibone ngathi umuntu ongasekho sometimes uyakulahla ngenxa yezono zabazali bakho, kodwa ngithi ngicane ngithethelele izono zami. Engizenzile engizazi nengingazazi, ngicela ukuphumelela. Oh my God. I don't know English knows me, but I'm trying to explain this, guys, to you. If you see this video, just pray with me, because I'm transferring this to anyone who is also missing someone they love, because they are not alone. The pain is real, but even the love we carry, and that love will continue to guide us. Guys, thank you for everyone who supports me, who watches my videos, and who continues to encourage me. Your love truly gives me strength. Please, guys, remember to support my channel by liking, leaving the positive comment, and subscribing.